Right, so we've just got back from the launch event of the Wellness Club. This is our new venture. We're doing it alongside Essence, and you do 50% off our products. And then we've got little cards which tell you all about the products, all the different ones. And we've got these shaper.
Not only.
And these are tap cards.
Yeah.
So we've got tap cards. And what these do, you touch them to the back of your phone and it takes them to the website. It takes you to the website. So we've got a few of those to hand out to people. And then we've got some prospecting cards and some. Ooh, not sure what that is. Is it for this? Oh, is that what this is for? It's like a little stand for demonstration of the products. So you put that like that. Whoops, killed it. You put that on there to display. Perfect. And we've got two of those. And we've got some brochures.
Good ones.
Feel amazing every day.
Yeah.
And then we've got some flyers. Flyers. Oh no, small brochures, that one. These are flyers, are they?
They're flyers.
These? I can't see, I've not got my glasses on. What does that say?
Order forms.
Oh, they like order forms, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. And then we've got a display stand, which you can tap, and again, it takes you to our website. And then we've got product information sheets. Those. And information about our compensation plan.
Yeah.
Partner brochures. So anybody who wants to join Wellness Club, you'll get one of these. And we're nearly there.
Nice, more.
Oh, we've got our own personalised QR codes. So we can put those onto labels onto our brochures. And when you scan those with your phone, it takes you to our website. And then we've got flyers. Feel your best through life's biggest challenges.
And this one?
What's that one? Oh, that's about the opportunity, earn an extra income your way. And what's this one? What's it say? Tired of watching your money run out before the month does? More flyers. So we've got loads of flyers. We've got more QR codes. That's another. Oh, look at that. It says Louise Antoine on it. Where's yours? You just have to change your name or put a wig on or something. And that's it. So that's our starter pack. So yeah, there you go. So this is our new venture. And Jules, you've got a job to do tonight, love.
Yeah.
But it all starts here. So keep watching. And when I've got some products now on order because I've already used the 50% off voucher. So when I get those, I can show them to you. And we can go through what they do. So, yeah, very exciting. Training manual. Missed that one, didn't we?
Yeah.
So it's all really, really exciting. So yeah, I'll check in back in with you in a day or two when we get the stuff through from head office.